Hello and welcome back to the channel. Today we are unboxing Funko Pop games, and this one is the GamerVerse of Spider-Man. As you might know, Spider-Man will be coming out with a video game for PlayStation 4, and this is in his game suit. So we will unbox this. We have the pop. So this one is a wobble head. You can see that. Nice pose for this pop. And okay, focus over there. Nice logo at the back and in front. So if you have watched the trailer for the game, this suit is kinda nice. So there you have it, Funko Pop GamerVerse. If you enjoyed this video, hit the like button. If you haven't subscribed, don't forget to subscribe, and until the next video, bye.